Greetings family, you know it's the Crocus Bog Farmer, and you know you caught me in a production session right now, buckling out some roots. Chaney root, duppy gun, got some pimento in there. Also we have some strong back merengue. Didn't even think to turn on the camera earlier, but I'm in the kitchen buckling out some roots. Gonna put on some label on it right now, so stick with me, alright? Remember, it's your favorite farmer man, the Crocus Bog Farmer. The products are rolling out now. Right now, this is the roots, deep roots. Yeah, have some stimulant on the way also. Blessings, yes, you caught me here. You know it's the Crocus Bog Farmer with another lesson. And ladies and gentlemen, yes, we have some roots, ladies and gentlemen, that we are packaging. Chaney root, duppy gun, strong back merengue. And, okay, here we go. I'm going to put on a few labels on here so you can see. This is roots that I really like. It's called deep roots. Yes. Right, here's the end product, ladies and gentlemen. Deep roots. It's the Rastaman, the Crocus Bog Farmers in. Deep roots. Speak the truth. So remember, you know, you want the extra energy and some natural vibes. Yeah, it's the Deep Roots drink. I also have one out here called Stimulant from the Crocus Bog Farmer. So check out the Crocus Bog Farmer products whenever you see them, ladies and gentlemen. Packaging them up for you whenever you need them. You can link I, yeah, and I'll ship some out to you. But this right here is a deep roots. This one having merengue, Chaney root, duppy gun, and it also have chickweed in it. Remember, the Crocus Bog Farmer. Yeah, let me get you a close-up of it. The Crocus Bog Farmer. Yeah, deep roots. More life, more joy. And we're gonna speak the truth. Remember, it's Rastafari soldier. Packaging up some roots. Yeah, see all of my Crocus Bog them on the side right there. So I and I, man, keep the roots fresh for you. Y'all and tea. So we're just gonna label up all of these right here. Remember to hit that subscribe button. If you want any of the product, ladies and gentlemen, you can contact me 954-245-5180. Crocus Bog Farmer is your hero. See there, production. Yeah, produce or perish, ladies and gentlemen. And you know, so we're not a production, we're not no perishing. And we're here to teach the youths the truth, try to show them how to create their own product. Yeah, how to live a good life, how not to sponge on nobody. That's what we're doing. Yeah, branding. Things is outstanding. You guarantee. It's the Crocus Bog Farmer. I'll show you. Branding. Keeping it outstanding. Yeah, it's Rastafari soldier, so remember, you know, you can check out my other YouTube, Deep Roots TV, if you're not already on there. You know, right there I do a little commentary, but right here, I'm showing you, we're producing in the factory. It's the Crocus Bog Farmer. Yes. Yeah. That's the appetite to use them, you know. Branding, everything outstanding. Yeah. I start doing thing, you know. Touch the road later on and just go move some of them. We'll not wait for nobody to pay with. And make a thing and move a thing. See it there? Branding, everything is outstanding. Spice, whatever, me have whole heap of herbs all over the place, strong back all over the place, you know. So I keep them in the box and in the bag. All kind of herbs, seriously, everything me have it. You know, pimento leaf, soursop leaf, vervine, you know, guinea hen, I got it right here. If it's herbs, I got it. Zin, more life, more joy, more happiness. Yeah. Yes, family, after I put the label on, you know, I like to put this protective seal around the top right here. Seal it up. So when you get it, you know that no one has tampered with it. You all guarantee. If you ever get one on this stand seal, then don't consume it. I don't know, nobody mess with it, you know. The seal, you know, see, me alone touch it. I say I got still a Rastafari soldier, you know. Crocus bag farmer. Yeah, me I'm gonna look brand right here, so me I try to ask up here, me bust it. And then see the Crocus bag farmer, the Rasta with the Crocus bag. You just purchase it. Y'all guarantee, send the Rasta to the world. Y'all guarantee. Yeah. That's how we do it, people. There's no secret to the way we do it. No secret to the ingredients. You want to try it, you try it. You need help, call me. I'll help you out. No joke. The approach. Family. You guarantee a production me depend. Production me depend. If you need the roads, them link me 9542455180. Me don't show it's a Rasta, I'm the hero. You guarantee. Label them up and seal them up and box them up, zin. Put them back in the box them, zin. Yeah. The approach.